Hi, I'm Grateful Ted. Thanks for being here because I really appreciate the time that you invest in watching my videos. Here in Redmond, there are several places that are cool, several places I'd suggest you go. But there is one place that has a lot of things going on, and that's General Duffy's. It's a tavern kind of place, but they have other things. They have a Saturday market, they have a night Saturday market, and today they're having a classic car show. Redmond has several classic car shows. This one isn't as big as, say, the Central Oregon Classic Car Show, which happens here in Redmond, but it's a nice little place to see classic cars, and I thought maybe you'd like to see some too. I know Mona Griffin would like to see some classic cars because she's into those. So come on, let's go see some classic cars today. I'd have to say that certainly is a low rider. Got an old Ford, I think that's a 54, maybe a 53. That must be the Jeep section over there.
Tell me where you want to park, because I'll lift this up right here.
It's a 1930 Model A Tudor sedan. Looks nice. Oh, and we've got some more coming in. There's a Kaiser. That was my first car. A 1948 Kaiser was my first car. Second car was a 1947 Plymouth with Continental doors. Man, did I love that car. So here's your Kaiser coming in. Looks like about a 55 or 56 Chevy station wagon. The Henry J stands for Henry J. Kaiser. Mine was a little different year.
Hi.
Is this yours?
Yes.
What year is it?
51.
I had a 48 Kaiser,
Oh.
shaped like a football.
Yeah. Yeah.
During the summer, General Duffy's has live music up on this stage, sometimes during the day, usually in the evening, and also for their Saturday night markets. Are you into classic cars? They're kind of fun, aren't they? Yeah, they are. If you made it this far, give yourself a pat on the back because you deserve it. If you liked what you saw and you thought this was a fun video, hit the like button, give it a thumbs up. I could always use subscribers, so you might consider subscribing to the channel here. Doesn't cost anything, and you can see all the different places that I go and all that kind of stuff. And we've got something completely different next time, and I don't know when next time is. I might decide to take a week off. We'll see. I'm thinking about it. In any case, we will see you next time.